So here's SocialAI, AI social network app, and yeah, it's pretty cool idea. It's a personal AI powered social network. So the idea is that you just post status updates and you get infinite AI replies. Enjoy your own private space for reflection and feedback. Experience AI conversations. Use social AI as a tool for therapy, journaling, or simply feeling heard. So here it is. So there are a lot of these apps like Talkie AI, Character AI, chatbots. That's not what it is. Uh, so here you just posting your own status updates, and then for example, you just do it like that, as you would do on Twitter or whatever. Here you select who you wanna message with, different types of people. Tell 5 more friends about social to unlock all follower types. So then also you can just invite. It's like a private Twitter, but you have millions of followers. So yeah, you can use it. And then you just posting it here. Post has been sent, and then you're getting comments from AI bots. Sounds kind of silly, but these AI algorithms are getting better and better. And before, even like few months ago, it was like complete gibberish. You can't understand anything, non-relevant. But now you can get some replies, and you just reading some replies here. Imagine it that these are like real people, and it acts kind of like a self-journaling app. You're just sharing your thoughts. You're getting instant replies, and you're just getting, okay, here is the idea, what people are thinking about, and you just spending the time. So it's not like this is like a social bot farm app where you just messaging with AI bots and it's like AI Twitter. Nope, it's mostly you just posting your status and you getting comments. So I already got like 15 comments. You just go in there, and then you just see, absolutely love this weather. It's perfect for some outdoor baking in dance party. It lets so all right. It's definitely nice out. Sure. So all right, I wouldn't say that it's like super precise, and but that's the idea of the app. And you don't have a post from other people. You just have it like that. If you don't like the app, you can always delete your account. So yeah, this is a new app. So go give it a try.